Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 6th standard on playing with numbers. In today's video, we will learn the definition of highest common factor and how to find it. The highest common factor or HCF is also known as greatest common divisor or GCD. The highest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest of all their common factors. That is, we should know their common factors. In that, we have to select the greatest one or the highest one. That will be known as the highest common factor or HCF. We have three methods to find the HCF. That is, listing method, prime factorization method and division method. Though three methods are listed, in 6th standard you will be learning only the first two methods. First, let's try to understand the listing method to get the HCF. We have to list the factors of the given numbers. In this example, it is 12 and 18. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Note the common factors. They are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Among this, 6 is the highest. Therefore, the highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Next, we will see how to get the HCF by prime factorization method. In my last video, you already learned what is prime factorization. Here, prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 and that of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Just mark the common factors for both. 2 and 3 are the common factors. When we multiply this common factor, whatever is the product we get will be the HCF of those two numbers. Now, let me try to explain these two methods by taking three numbers. Find the HCF of 12, 24 and 60. First, we will see the listing method. In the listing method, we have to write the factors of the given three numbers. So first let me begin with 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly, factors of 24 are 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, then you have 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 as the factors of 24. Last one 60. Which are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So many factors for 60, isn't it? Factor is nothing but in the table of these numbers 60 will come. Now, as the next step, let me circle all the common factors. Common factor is nothing but which are present in all the three. So 1 is there in all the three. 1 is the common factor. 2 is also the common factor. What about 3? Yes, 3 is also present in all 4. Yes, 4 is also present in all the 3. 5 is not there. 6 you have in all the 3. 8 no. Next one I think is 12, isn't it? 12 is present in all the 3. So these are the common factors. Now let me write them. So common factors are which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the common for all three. So out of highest common factor, I wrote the factors. Now I got the common factors. The last step is highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor here? 12 is the highest common factor. So HCF of 12, 24 and 60 is 12. Now let's try to find the HCF by prime factorization method for the same numbers, that is 12, 24 and 60. Whichever way you do it, the HCF is 12. So we can verify also. First we have to find the prime factorization of 12. How do we do this? In our last video you have seen how to do the prime factorization. You have to go on dividing the number with the prime numbers. 2 is the prime number. So 2, 6 are 12. This again goes in table of 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 is also a prime number. So what are the prime factorization of 12? It is 2 into 2 into 3. This 2 into 2 into 3. Next we will see the prime factorization of 24. How do we do this? It is divisible by 2. So 2 12s are 24. Again by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again with 2. 2 3s are 6. And finally you have 3 1s are 3. All these are prime numbers, remember. So now prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The last one is 60. Let me prime factorize 60 now. 2 30s are 60. 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. Then you have, it will not go in 2 now. Next prime number is 3. Does it go in 3? Yes. 3 5s are 15. 5 is again the prime number. So 5 1s are 5. You stop when the quotient you receive is 1. So what are the prime factorization for 60? It is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The second step is to mark the common factors for all this. 2 is common. Next, one more set of 2 you have which is common. 2, 2 and 2 here. Now, next, it's 3, isn't it? 3, 3 here and 3 here. So, you have the common factors here. Now, how do I find the HCF here? It is nothing but the product of this common factors. So, HCF will be equal to this first set of 2 multiplied by second set of 2 multiplied by 3. So, you have 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So, 12 is the HCF. See, even in our first case we had got 12. So, this is by the listing method and this is by prime factorization method. Now, try to find the HCF of 30 and 42 by listing method as well as prime factorization method. Thank you. Have a great day.